Hey, what is up everyone, Baker is here with a new video, and in today's one I'm going to show you 5 different ways to make money online. And the beauty about this is that anyone can do it, okay? If you want to make something like this, just make sure to watch the video till the end, okay? Because if you're not even committed to watch the video, how you're gonna make money online, okay? And most of those methods that I'm going to show you in this video are worldwide, okay? And also by the end of this video, this is what you're gonna learn: the 5 different ways to make a steady income online, how to get approved for the ones that require approval, because not all of them require approval, and how it works and what you should do to earn cash, and also how to use all of them in an organized way to boost your income. That means you have to use all those methods if you want really to make some great money, okay? And also guys, this is my channel, B4 Bakery, okay? This is my channel. I'm making videos showing you different ways and different methods and also different strategies to make money online. So make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like that, and hit the notification bell to stay informed whenever I upload a new video. But guys, if you want to make full-time income online, to quit that 9-to-5 job, to do whatever you want whenever you want, and to support your family and your needs, all you have to do is to check the link in the description box. So the first one in our list is Tex Broker. Well, Tex Broker is a content mail company, which is a bridge between businesses that need articles and blog posts and people who are willing to write these posts. Their profit comes from what they charge businesses, okay? And the writing industry is pretty common for content mail sites to go out of business after a few years. Tex Broker stands out among the crowd, okay? They've been in business since 2008, I believe, or 2007, and they're still going so strong, okay? So, it only took a week or two before my application was approved, and after your application is approved, you still need to do a writing sample, and that could take several days. Then you can write your first 5 articles. After submitting the 5th article, your account is put on a temporary freeze until an editor can manually review your first 5 articles for quality, okay? And that can take another 1 to 2 weeks. So I can say that the whole process will take you between a month or 2 months, okay? That depends. Not everyone is the same. But if you have a good English, guys, you can get accepted easily. Yeah, you need to get approved in order to start making money with the website, and it will take between 1 to 2 months, as I said, to get your first PayPal payment, okay? So this is the first one, make sure to check it. The second one in our list is, I think that a lot of you know it, but if you don't know it, this is user testing. You can make quick money from home by just doing what you're already doing every day using websites. There are a lot of companies that will pay you just for your time to evaluate and provide feedback on their apps and websites. So testing websites is a perfect job, okay? A perfect side hustle that you can do in your free time. Plus, it's a legitimate way to make money from home and pick up some quick extra cash. Rather than build the app and roll it out to users, these apps are tested for software bugs and incompatibilities and overall user satisfaction. As a result, the user testing industry is sprawling, giving those who wish to work from an opportunity to cash in and make some easy money. Mathematically, you can make great money. I mean, like $10 for 20 minutes of your time, which means that $30 per hour. But because the work is inconsistent, user testing is only an easy way to make some extra money from home and not to build a career, okay? So you're not gonna get rich using this website, because there aren't a lot of opportunities to make money in this one. Even that the test is gonna take you only 20 minutes and you're gonna get paid $10, okay? So the third one in our list is another well-known website, which is called Vendor Researcher. Well, it is a well-known fact that surveys are great for earning extra income if you only sign up for the most worthy and best survey sites. This website is one of the best survey providers, and not just surveys, but there are other ways to make money on this one. They have paid studies, referrals, videos, and even more ways to earn money on this one, okay? The biggest plus about vendor research is many of their surveys pay quite well. each survey can pay you anywhere between $0.5 to $50 each. Okay, so this is a good thing. So there is a good chance that you can earn some good money from a single survey. With referrals, you can earn like $5 for every person who sign up through your link. You can also sometimes get products testing opportunities. The best part is that you get instant $2 free when you sign up for vendor research. Okay, the variety of surveys in this website is also diverse as per user reviews. The topics vary from shopping, tech, sports, politics, and so on. Okay, so this is vendor research. This is my third recommendation in this video. Okay, so now let's move on to the fourth one. The next one is Appen. Okay, for those who doesn't know what Appen is a data collection company that uses information, okay, to make machine learning programs act more like a human, okay, I'm going to give you an example like Google, okay, like Google Speech or Google Voice, okay, something like that. They do this through independent contractors, for example, like you and me, and employees who perform tasks online like speaking phrases into a microphone or having you evaluate social media and search engines. This is exactly what I did for them, okay, and I got paid with this company like $50, I guess. Appen may be one source of income, and multiple sources online is what you really need to get what you want. Okay, me myself, I made some decent money with Appen, and I also received a lot of gig offers from it. Okay, some of them are just not for me. And the last one in our list is Squad Help. Okay, I already talked about this one in my last video, so if you don't know what Squad Help is, well, once you join this one, you'll be assigned 2 contests so that you can start participating and possibly winning. After your ideas have been liked in a few contests, you'll gain access to the few lists of active contests and you'll be able to participate in all of them. Okay, if you're not feeling creative about a contest you've been assigned to, no problem, you can decide anytime whether or not to participate, and your account won't be negatively affected if you choose to skip one. Okay, it's important to note that there is no guarantee that you will win cash award for any of the contests you join. Okay, that's why you only win if your idea is selected as the winner. Most contests will pay between $100, even $500 in some cases in cash prize, and some may pay a little higher. Okay, in order to get paid, you will need to have a verified PayPal account, and if you're interested in learning more, see what Squad Help does for their clients and how clients can start a contest by visiting Squad Help. And if you're ready to join and start entering contests, simply go to Squad Help's sign up page, enter your info, and click join as creative to get it. Okay, and actually I talked about those websites in details in other videos that I uploaded long ago, and I will leave the link down below. Okay, the links of all the videos except Appen that I didn't talk about it. Okay, I will link the links in the description box if you want to check them. Okay, so those websites are actually great if you want to make some extra money in your free time, but I have never tested a website that turned out to be so profitable that it could change your financial situation. That is why I highly suggest to invest that money to start an online business, something for yourself. Okay, this is the only way to get rich, and there are a lot of business ideas that you can start with a minimum capital. Okay, and I have a link down below in the description box that I will show you my first recommendation, what I'm doing exactly to make money online. Okay, and how to make a sustainable amount of money and have the freedom that you want and achieve that dream of not having to work a 9-to-5 job that you hate every day. So I wish you a good luck, and I will see you in the next time. Thank you so much.